Hi everyone. Today we will learn how we can draw a line at angle. So let's start. To create a line at angle, first we have to select a line command here. This is AutoCAD 2024 and you will find line here. Click on line and then select first point. Select this one. And let's say you want to create a line here at a 45 degree. So how we can do that? You have to type at the rate. Let's say I want to create length 200 and angle is 45 degree. So this 200 length at 45 line is created. Let's say now you want to create a line here, another line here, and you want to make a distance in between 90. So you have to type at the rate and give distance 200 now because you have to calculate the angle clockwise. So this angle is 45, so this is 90 and this is 135. So you have to give angle 135. Let's check the angle here. This angle is 90. So we will modify dimension to update the text height. It's 5 and arrow we will give also 5. We will so now first we give angle is 45. We measure here. This is our 45-degree angle here. And if you check the length, you have to select a line dimension here. So we give 200. So now let's say from here you want to create a line at 45 bottom here. So this point the angle is 180 and plus 45 is equal to 225. So we have to put it at the rate angle 225. We done something wrong here. Click at the rate 200 angle 225. So now when you measure here, this is 45 here. So in this way you can create a line at angle y at the rate and angle. You have to make sure that your angle will be like this only. So for clarification here, I will type it here and I will change the height to 10. So this is a 0 degree. So this is 90. This is 180. This is 270. So you have to create a line by giving angle this. Let's say you want to create a line at angle here, 60 degree from this point to this point. Then you have to add 90 plus 60, 150. Let's draw a line here at the rate of 200, angle 150. Now when we measure here, this angle is 60 and this angle is 30. So in this way you have to add the angle always every quadrant. Let's say you want to create a line here and here, let's say I will give it 200 and you want to create 45 here. In this scenario you can type minus 45, so line will be down in this quadrant. Minus 45, whatever you want, just type it. Minus 60, 30, at any angle you can draw the line here. I hope your line with angle concept is clear with this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment related to this tutorial, please comment in the comment box.